The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Now there is a video out on social media that shows off a lady being rescued as a result of a car that went off a bridge and into the waters that is along the Hellshire main road that is in St. Catherine, Jamaica. This incident had happened on Monday the 19th of August 2019, and this rescue is as a result of two vehicles that had collided. Now, I am about to show you two pieces of videos put together so that you can have a better understanding of what had happened. But before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present the videos to you, just let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Yeah, she have somebody next to me. Marika come?
Attach the string on the front.
Drop my phone on me, please, now.
A two-person in there. See the man there in there. I like that old leg. Climb, use your leg, mommy.